tuning into Corcelli's morning market update. S&P is down 7.5 handles this morning. Crude oil is actually falling. We have crude oil down 2.4%. Natty gas is up 1.25, catching a little bit here. Oil's down 0.37%. Dr. Copper getting a little bit up 0.2. Sugar down 2.53%. We don't like sugar in this office. Coffee's flat. Cotton's down a little bit. Moving along to equities in Europe. European equities are mixed bag, down almost 0.5% to up 0.6%, depending on where you're looking. Japanese equities up 1%. Japanese yen overnight fell. Weakness, dollar strength, and the equities got a bid. Much ado about nothing in Japan. Shanghai Composite up 0.3%. Not bad. Moving along to sovereign bond yields are a mixed bag. Treasury yields are lower right now. Prices are higher. But that wasn't the story earlier on today. The stock market selling off is causing a bid in sovereign bonds. Not the same to be said throughout most of the rest of the world. It looks like it's a mixed bag at the end of the day. Top news out. U.S. stocks erase August advance before jobs data. Non Farm Payrolls tune in live on Friday for Mike Corcelli to go over at 8:30. Non Farm Payrolls. It's going to be an exciting fireworks all over the place. Trump heads to Mexico. He's meeting with the president of Mexico before his speech on immigration. Apple ruling heralds the twilight of easy European tax deals. By the way, iPhone 7 and 7 Plus pricing was leaked in China, and from what I can tell, it's roughly on the top end phone, which has 256 gigabytes of storage. I think it has 3 gigabytes of RAM. It's basically a $1,200 phone. So we'll see how the pricing holds in the U.S. Quant Hedge Funds gives robots 364 days off to top currency peers. South Africa's biggest debt manager halts loan sales to firms. So it says bank hacks persist and report new fraud cases. Anyway, let's move into economic data. Today's news is very boring. Mortgage applications up 2.8%. ADP employment change in line with expectations, 177,000 jobs. Chicago PMI came out at 51.5. Not good for manufacturing. It's just a little here above contraction in the manufacturing sector. Pending home sales were strong, up 1.3% compared to 0.7% with regards to the survey. The date is a little bit skewed here, not sure exactly why. We're going to back this thing up a little bit. Go back to yesterday's data. Just wanted to point out consumer confidence index 101.1, super hot versus 97. It was a good day.